Welcome back. Today we're going to take this perfectly good car. Well, it was a perfectly good car. One of the customers that I help out quite a bit. We're going to start getting the back of it ready to put a back half in it. We cut all this perfectly good stuff out that worked really well, but he wanted a traditional 4-link, so that's what we're doing for him. Here we go. So this here is the car. That's the stuff that we had already cut out. Lots of metal. So this is Don's street car. Not much of a street car anymore. We cut all this stuff out. And today we're going to be taking out the side windows and trying to chop these down and make the bars smooth again down there so we can put all the new stuff in. What are we doing here? This is some hillbilly shit. So we're gonna be doing some prep work, I guess you could say, for this streetcar pro mod. Give you guys kind of a look around of what we're working on here. This car one day will see the asphalt again. One day. We have a clone of it over there, and that one's back halved already. But that's what we're doing to this one. Now that you've seen the walk around, let's get started. It's funny how when the customer says, what can I do? What can I do to make it faster and less expensive? Take the trim off. And he squirrels out and he doesn't do anything. It's all part of it. Trying not to break this thing. Sometimes they come off easy. Sometimes they don't like to come off at all. But they still gotta come off. They still gotta come off. You know, it's little things. And there they fall off. It'd be cool if we take this shit home. I don't like having fragile little parts around here. Having a 11-year-old. He likes to get into stuff. We'll keep it together as best we can for Pro Mod Don. Oh, I mean Streetcar Don. Don, will you please take your stuff home so it don't get broken? Gotta take the headliner out of it. I asked him to take the headliner out. He said, oh, I want to keep it up there. I was like, I'm going to weld on it. It might catch on fire, but whatever. All these little screws. Good luck putting them all back to where they go. Maybe this panel's glued in with the windshield. Yep, she's got some glue on her. Let's go to the other side. I'm just gonna put a little baggie for him. Here, Don, here's all kinds of pieces. This one's like half falling off already. If you think this is like really easy and it just like goes together, it's not. This takes a long time before you even get to bend the tubes. Hey, put those golf clubs away. Up and down. Whoa, you gotta watch the bars that he cut off like 2 feet from here. It's like way far out. I don't want to be taking myself to the emergency room. Yes, it's like a jungle gym. Oh, almost broke it. Nah. Oh, gotta take the light out too. Let's take the light out now. Let's pop a cover off. Let's take a screw out. Wow, that's a really good looking screw. What is this? What kind of hillbilly crap is this? Better get a bigger hammer. Whoever did this car in the beginning, give them props. It was nice. Not so nice no more. But she's gonna come around. She's gonna be all nice again. One day. One day. It's only been like, the guy that had it before me, he had it for like years. Years. I'm gonna go get some bags to put all these little bolts in so they don't get lost. We don't want them to get lost because this is a stock car. He's gonna drive this around like to go get groceries and stuff. But can you imagine? Imagine that? Now we gotta try to see about getting this headliner out. What is holding it? More stuffing things. Stuffing things. More stuff. Get out of here. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? What is holding it? Here we go, Don. Something that you're never gonna use again. But we're keeping it nice so you can put it in some other pile of shit. Alright, now I'm gonna cut these off. Now that I'm not gonna catch the... What the... Look at that roof. They've got Bondo and shit in here? That's like really, really solid. Alright, let's cut. Let's do some cutting and then grinding. Cutting and grinding. Without. Whoa, Don must have been wearing this big ass head of Don's. Big ass head of Don's. Almost through it. We're down to our last blades. This is a little shorty guy. That was hot. Now grinding. My girl gets jealous when I say grinding on this car. Man, I'm not looking forward to doing this. This is not fun. You get covered in crap. Covered in crap. I even want sawzall blades too. And some hearing protection because that's loud. Let's go get some hearing protection. Oh, duh! So, that sawzall blade is smooth. Let's see if we can cut this one. What is that? Is that Bondo? You gotta be kidding me. There's Bondo on the bar? No wonder it looks so good. Alright, this one might be a little more tricky, but let's give her a go. Son of a... But first, a Pepsi break. So I wanted to see how well this thing cut. New cutter. New click disc or something.
You know what, kids? Invest in yourself. Buy good shit.
I've been wanting to do this all day.
Let's see. We got to get this out of there. Let's see.
Music licensing reimagined.
Done, son. Done, son.